Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? Welcome to the Nigerian Nomad channel. Welcome to your favorite Nigerian American channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. So today I have a fantastic opportunity for anyone that is looking at investing in real estate or in the Shortlet Airbnb type business in Lagos, Nigeria. But before we get going, just know that when you want to get into business, there's generally three ways people get into business. Number one, which I think is the easiest way, you can just invest in an established business and then the business pays you dividends or an established ROI like we do with our farm or some of our Shortlet business. That's one easy way. Number two, you want to actually start the business yourself. So that means if you have the capital, you want to build the business from scratch, get all the resources, get all the materials, hire the staff, create the systems, get customers, get clients, create your own website, create your own Instagram, and handle everything yourself. Get full maximum profit yourself, management systems, everything yourself. And then there is also this number three that some established investors do, or a beginner investor can do. You can literally buy an established business. So that means you are not starting it from scratch, you're not getting the clients, and you're also just not investing. You want to be the owner of the business. And then you can now make returns on your own business. And I have the opportunity of number three for you. So today, the owner of the apartment that I'm at wants to sell their property. So typically we've been on here for almost 2 to 3 years. So what we do is rental arbitrage. We rent properties. We sometimes keep it for ourselves, or we add it to our Shortlet portfolio to generate income. So that's kind of how we started. Now, guess what? The owner wants to sell their apartment. So I just thought about it. I was like, you know what? It would be cool to have one of you guys own this apartment and we continue to run the apartment for you. So we become your staff. You leverage my team, my staff, my clientele, my customers, our agents. Everything is already there. So all you have to do is buy the apartment and we will be giving you the revenue of your apartment every year. Instead of paying rent to the owner of this house, we will be giving you the money. So you can still buy. In this case, it's even better because you're buying a business that already has an established system in place. So yeah, so if you're interested, I'd love you to be a part of our Shortlet journey. So before we talk about price and cost and location, let me just give you guys a tour. I think you guys have seen this apartment before, but this is a 1-bedroom apartment in the Ologolo Lekki area. Let me just give you guys a tour for the people that have not seen this apartment before. Oh yeah, Ejalo, let's go. So this is a 1-bedroom apartment that has an open style living room, open concept style, and then the bedroom. So the living room is here. You have this couch. You can sit. The TV wall is done. Art pieces is here. Coffee table is here. We have a TV. We have a TV wall. AC is established. You have this nice lounge area as a dining table, which is very, very cool. You can also add more chairs here if you want. This can easily sit. The way this is designed like this, so we made this one movable, so you can move this here. Let me even move this for you guys. I am messing up this whole house. But yeah, so you can move this here if you want, or you can move this there, or you can move this there. It's very flexible, it's very fluid. And then the kitchen space is also here. So in this kitchen, we have plates, cups, wine glasses, all types of stuff, heat extractor, kitchen, cutleries, a whole bunch of stuff is here, okay? Blenders, all of that, hot water heater, spoons, forks, all of that is there. All right, so that is generally the living area. We do have a microwave before we even go further, and a fridge that's in this corner as well. Now, when you get, this doesn't come with the apartment, but we can always work out something where we give all of this to you at a good deal, at a discount. There is a restroom in here, a guest restroom. that a guest can use when they come in here, so they don't have to go all the way to your bathroom to use the restroom. So that's cool. This is just like a welcome area or exiting area, so you can kind of check yourself out in the mirror as you're going out. Check out your outfit. That's what this is. And also, we have an electronic system already, a electronic door lock automated system. So now let's go check out the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. We did some renovation to this. We created that wall space. You have this orange and gray theme going on. So this bed, you have a bed here with the dresser, and this one is actually unique. You have two closets. So you have closet number 1 and you have closet number 2 here, which I think is very cool. And then guess what else you also have? This place is small, but it's jam-packed. You have a sitting area in the bedroom. You can use this as a coffee table, hang out, do whatever you want to do. Or you can multitask and use this as a workstation. This is great for you guys that work at home. This is perfect. So yeah, so that is how this works. Now, you also have a private shower and toilet that's separate from when a guest comes and visits. Come and check it out. So the shower is here, fully equipped, and then the toilet is here. You guys can see. Hot water heater, everything is fully equipped. Trash can, you guys can check it out. Mirrors, lights. All right, now that you guys have seen the space, you guys see that it has a lot of features. You also have kind of a semi-private porch in the back. So it's very, very small, But you do have a small green space area if you want to hang out. Come and check it out. So yeah, there's a small grass area, palm trees. So it's not too bad, not bad at all. So now this estate has 24 hours power supply. 24-hour power supply guaranteed. Clean and treated water is also in this property. So this is a great property. So yeah, so if you're interested, hit me up. So we haven't talked about things. I think earlier we talked about location. So location is in Ologolo, Lekki. We have a few apartments in this estate, very lovely estates. Security, highly secured. And then the cost, the owner wants 65 million naira, but it's slightly negotiable. So if you guys are interested, contact me with my number underneath below. We will work out all the details. Either call, message, email, whatever you want to do. But yeah, I hope that you guys would be one of the owners of this apartment and we can continue to do our thing. But either way, let me know. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this tour and enjoyed this video. If you're interested, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.